Are you forgetting that India, you are like a combination of so many countries put together? Such diverse languages, such different religions, different food, different habits, yet we are together as one Bharat, as one India. We should feel proud of that. We are growing almost everywhere, in every sphere, and nobody can match us because of our sheer size and the type of policies being introduced, the type of strength we have achieved. I need not say after Sindur, every Indian has got confidence, whether it is China at your border or whether it is Pakistan or somebody else as well. We just don't care. We have reached far above. And that is our confidence, that is our strength, and let us move forward with that same mindset of we being strong. Yes, we can. Yes, you can. Please do it. Take India forward. Take our Bharat country to those levels where perhaps you yourself will not imagine, oh, we have reached here. That is what we should feel. Kerala may be God's own country, but don't forget a beautiful place like Goa, God-blessed place by nature, by greenery, by good witches, by good churches, by good temples. It is where the gods dwell in Goa. I was laughed at when I used to say, we will cross 1.5 lakh crore collection per month in the next 2 years or next 1.5 years. People used to mock, oh, 1 lakh pahunchega to bahut ho jayega. Today we have sometimes reached 2 lakhs and on an average 1.85 lakhs crore collection every month. Is that not success for us? Singapore, Dubai, what were they? Just mounds and mounds of sand. Today how it has transformed. I look forward to a dream. In my part of Goa and my part of the western region, Goa can turn into a largest logistical hub for warehousing and logistics. That is I look forward to.
Subscribe Prudent social media channel and press bell icon for latest notifications.